Hello everyone, and thank you for being here. My name is Joanna, aka Mellow Snail, and today I have a small stationery haul from Etsy. You're gonna plan my week with me, and I will show you a few little DIYs that I made lately for my Hobonichi Weeks and for my fountain pens, and I'll show you a little bit of where I am in terms of creating my sticker sheets for my Etsy shop. So there's a lot. Let's get started. This stationery shop on Etsy is called Crafty Corgi House, and this shop, it's no small shop. They have over 2,000 items for sale. I've seen these stickers before, and I finally found them on Etsy. They were very reasonably priced, and I got all the colors of all the design sets that they had. I got 6 of them because that's how I am. Every time I like something, I get them in all the colors they're offering. But this time it was a no-brainer because they are all so beautiful that I couldn't decide which one to get. So I got the 6. I'll leave their information in the description box for you. They all come with small, medium, and large stickers, as well as sticker frames that you can frame either wording or a picture, whatever you want. They're nice and thin, and what I really like about them is that beautiful nostalgic illustration and color to let you create the perfect girly, relaxed, and also elegant journal spread. I needed a small pouch to hold my currently inked up fountain pens. I go to libraries and cafes sometimes, and most of the time I'm sitting around the house and want to take everything with me, so I have a variety of inks, and that's why I made these little pouch that holds actually 8 fountain pens, because I really like variety. I really like writing in different color inks pretty much every day, and also use different colors for annotations and things like that on the same spread. Alright, so let's start planning. I'm sorry this video didn't come out earlier during the week. I got a few inconveniences. I broke my laptop screen, and to replace it was really expensive. So I decided to buy another one because it wasn't really worth it to repair it. So I had to wait until that one came, set it up and all that stuff. So it's been a very busy and hectic week for me. Let's go with the purple sticker set. It's beautiful and it's colorful enough. Let's just make something really soft and not so busy so we can plan my week. I have understood that the Hobonichi Weeks is very cute, but it's small. So I can't use a whole lot of stickers and a whole lot of decorations if I want the planner to be functional too. As usual, please go to the description box so you can find the information about all of the stationery and supplies that I use on this video. The fountain pen of choice today is the Pilot Vanishing Point Decimo in fine nib, ink top with the Atramentis black ink. Although this week is not crazy, I am a little busy with doctor's appointments and also creating the sticker sheets for my Etsy shop. So I'm making a few trips to the library and different cafes, so I have a little bit of quiet time to create, enjoy the process, get inspired, and also not to get distracted around the house or using social media and things like that. I also want to take a few moments during this week to organize my journaling supplies a little better. This is a little journal spread using the green set of stickers from this haul. This is a thank you card that I received from the Pepper Cut Studio a few weeks ago with my order. And it is so beautiful, and I love those little characters and the colors that I wanted to use it for something else. I didn't want to just put it away. So I repurposed it and made a tiny little sticker book for my very tiny stickers from the Coffee Monsters Co. so I could put that sticker book together with my Hobonichi Weeks and inside of my purse. It came out super cute and honestly very good. But next time, I'm gonna loosen up the thread so that the stitches don't come so tight and close to each other. But other than that, the little sticker book came out so cute and very good for me. I got these planner cover from Goodwill for $4. And I know it might look scratched to you, but I really love the patina on these leather cover. But unfortunately, it doesn't fit any of my planners or my notebooks. So I repurposed it and made a zipper pouch that lays completely flat for my Hobonichi Weeks. I needed that to be able to put my Hobonichi Weeks inside of my purse and carry it around with me all the time. I wanted to mention the book I'm reading currently for my book club. It's called The Only One Left by Riley Sager, and the book is about this old lady called Lenora. She's really sick now and she needs help all the time from a caregiver. But the twist is that she is presumed to have killed her entire family. And now that she's old and sick, she needs somebody around her. But her last caregiver fled out of her house in the middle of the night because something happened. I'm not telling you what. And now there's a new one. Her name is Kit, and she's gonna find out, or she's trying to find out, what happened to Lenora and what she really did. So there's many moments of suspense and uncertainties that is really making the book very interesting and very fun to read. This zipper pouch is very far from being perfect, but it really works for me. And so far, I like it. Again, it's gonna hold my Hobonichi Weeks, so I can put that on my purse and have it all nice and protected so I can have it with me at all times. I found a few pouches that I really liked online. They are beautiful. They're leather or canvas fabric. They're super nice, but they're also very expensive, like the Superior Labor ones or the Euroliku one. But not only expensive, but they're always out of stock. So I decided to make my own, because there's nothing that gives me more satisfaction than actually making my own things. And lastly, this is a tiny little tour of my library and a little sneak peek of the progress that I have made so far with my sticker sheets. I have created 3 so far, but I don't have footage of the third one. Okay friends, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please check the video that I'm gonna leave you in the corner here. It's another plan with me video in case you wanna see more of what I do. And stay tuned for next week because I'm gonna show you what's in my journaling bag and on my journaling cart. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.